Everyone's so busy these days with work and life, it makes it hard to find time to enjoy some nature. Or grab a round of golf. Or enjoy the park with your kids. And I've got the answer, and the property's located right there in that quiet neighborhood, minutes from all this. Welcome to 243 French Court in the Avenida España neighborhood in South San Jose. I'm excited about this house. It's a 2,300 square foot, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath on a 6,000 square foot lot, and it's completely renovated. Let's go take a tour. From the entry, you're greeted by this relaxing, sunken-in living room with vaulted ceilings and an open balcony with a sneak peek into the bonus space. Then you have one of your dining areas. Towards the back of the house, you have your family room that connects to a half-bath, laundry, garage, an additional dining space, and then this stunning kitchen. Upstairs, you have that bonus space, which is perfect for an office or a kid's play area. Then you have 1, 2, 3 guest bedrooms, the guest bath, and the primary retreat. So not only do you have nature right out your front door, but you're walking distance to restaurants and shopping. And if you need more excitement, we're only 15 minutes from downtown. Call me today to start having time to enjoy it all.